uyasiyimisa isigqoko nxa engumkhwenyana kade ufuna ukubuya ungawufuni usho umsukumisela isigqoko so sesisukumisela amadoda izigqoko. That is one. So we are declaring it. I didn't say every day. On election day, we are all going to be pensioners. That is one reason. The second reason, in case it demonic fast, you move on package way ballot. So you feel it and go on you fast and a woman and you will not doubt that put a but among ourselves as women, we will know. In case they've forgotten that you are a woman, a ballot is a very closed up room. So, by the way, which you know I'm a woman and you know where you are going to put your ballot. So I want to invite you as a demonstration about what we are going to do. But I'm also going to be putting these t-shirts out. The second one is a t-shirt that is written Woman Dissident.